Welcome everyone. In this episode, I want to talk to you about the 19th item that I got for my 2020 Jeep Gladiator Sport. I'll show you, it's actually on the inside. Well, as we make our way over there, let's talk about when I first got the Jeep. I believe I am the second owner, and I believe the original owner had it on it, and basically the steering wheel was in pristine condition, really good. So what I'm talking about, my 19th item, is a steering wheel cover. It's, basically a necessity to keep your steering wheel from being worn out, from all the handling on it. And I'll talk to you about this next time. But as you can see, I have it on there, so I rarely have my hand on the steering wheel. But as far as in my 19th item, it is the steering wheel cover. It helps protect the steering wheel from, handling when you're steering, all that stuff. But I also have these, which deviates from me holding on to the steering wheel. But that is my 19th item, is the steering wheel cover. Thanks for joining me. Till next time. Peace.